Hey everyone! Today we're checking out Linky AI Chat, an AI chat app with anime characters that's designed to make conversations more fun, expressive, and engaging. Unlike many other AI tools that use plain chat bubbles, Linky brings your interactions to life with animated characters, personalities, and visual flair, and it's definitely something different from a standard chatbot. When you first open the app, you're greeted with a lineup of anime-style characters you can choose from. Each character has a distinct personality and vibe, so whether you want someone cheerful, calm, mysterious, or quirky guiding the conversation, you can pick one that matches your style. This visual layer makes chatting feel more like interacting with a virtual friend or assistant instead of just typing into a text box. Once you start chatting, the AI responds in real time, offering helpful answers, explanations, or creative responses depending on what you ask. Linky AI Chat feels especially comfortable for casual conversations, storytelling, brainstorming, or even role-playing scenarios because the characters enhance the mood. If you want something that feels more lively and expressive than a traditional AI interface, Linky delivers that experience. The app handles everyday questions and tasks smoothly. You can ask for writing help, get summaries, brainstorm ideas, or just have fun exchanges that feel less dry and more animated. The character animations and voices, if enabled, make it feel like your AI friend is actually reacting to what you say, which adds a layer of personality you don't get with basic AI chat interfaces. Of course, while Linky is great for engaging and creative chats, it might not replace more powerful AI tools for deep technical research or highly specialized professional needs. But for users who want a playful, personality-driven AI conversation that's fun and expressive, Linky hits that sweet spot between entertainment and utility. If you enjoyed this review and want me to break down more AI chat apps like this, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you want me to review next.